How to protect WhatsApp with Face ID. This is a step-by-step video, so you will have no trouble following. Now, this is extremely simple. In order to do this, you need to go ahead and update your phone to the newest iOS 18. You cannot go ahead and do this below iOS 17. Now basically, once inside, you want to go ahead and find the WhatsApp application. Right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and hold click the WhatsApp icon. And from here, you can then go ahead and see the option for require Face ID. You can then go ahead and choose between this option, which is to require Face ID, hide, and require Face ID. In my case, I'll just go ahead and click on the first one. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time, and as always, thank you.